is Neha, your nutritionist and lifestyle educator. And today I am at the Earth Cafe in Seminyak, Bali. And this place is a whole plant-based vegan restaurant and the food here is yum. And I couldn't keep myself from getting some of the best dishes to you. So come, let's see what recipe we are going to learn today. So I am with the captain of the kitchen, Komang, with me, who's going to teach us a raw Nasi Goreng recipe. For your little information, Nasi Goreng is actually a Balinese traditional fried rice which is eaten with soya sauce and a lot of vegetables and whole white rice or brown rice. But today we are going to learn a raw version of it. Now we all know once we cook food, the food actually gets dead in nutrients, enzymes, and we lose a lot of vital stuff in the food. Eating raw as much as possible is the way to be. So today we are going to learn raw Nasi Goreng. Welcome to my channel. So tell me, how are we going to start? So first she's taking chopped carrots, finely chopped carrots. Then there's raw corn, raw sweet corn, finely chopped. Then we are adding cucumber. Yes, we are adding finely diced cucumbers. Great, amazing. Okay, this is chopped cashew or ground cashew. Now this is an interesting ingredient in it, okay. We all know cashews are very good in good fats, omega-3, lot of nutrients, minerals. Okay, these are mung bean sprouts. Sprouts are full of life, they're full of enzymes. Wow, amazing, okay. And then some raw broccoli florets, okay. Okay, this is chopped lemongrass that we are adding, okay. Turmeric, fresh turmeric, which the root, turmeric root, so it's grated. Fine, nice. Galangal, it's a kind of ginger that's available in Balinese, but in case you don't have, it's okay, you can add normal ginger, which we are going to add now. Next is coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil. Wow, okay. Amazing. That's about a tablespoon. And this is soy sauce, okay. That's again about a tablespoon. Mix. Okay, mix all of it together. This could even go well as your salad. It looks like a salad. It has everything in it, from pulses to nuts to vegetables to herbs. So you can easily eat it as a bowl of salad for your dish, either lunch or dinner. Amazing. Thank you so much, Komang. Do you see how easy and how quick and simple this dish was? You can make it anytime. All you need is a simple few ingredients and you're done. Time for some tasting as usual. Amazing. Beautiful. It's all raw. Very mild flavor of soya sauce and a very nice flavor of lemongrass. All in all, I just want to say, after seeing this raw dish, I understood that eating healthy does not need to be complicated. All you need to do is just mix the right ingredients with each other and you get an amazing dish. So friends, if you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family, let me know in the comment below how you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes into your inbox. Till then, eat healthy.